Bitcoin price nears $36,000 as altcoins make 10% gains. Bitcoin, BTC, tackled resistance at $35,000 on June 29 as upward momentum began to resurface throughout cryptocurrency. BTC/used 1-hour candle chart, Bitstamp. Source, TradingView. Price targets range high. Data from Cointelegraph Markets Pro and TradingView showed BTC/USD hitting 24-hour highs of $35,780 on Bitstamp on Tuesday. The pair put in 4.5% gains on the day, restoring confidence to traders who were previously afraid of another major market correction. As Cointelegraph reported, the weekend was a rags-to-riches story for Bitcoin, which bounced at $30,000 to stage an impressive comeback going into the new week. For popular trader Cryptoed, there was now little reason to hold a doomsday-style view on BTC price action. Current BTC bears are the same who were convinced BTC would drop below $10,000 back in September 2020, he argued in his latest update. For analyst Rect Capital, the potential likewise remained for further upside, on the back of the most recent weekly close. Great price strength stability at a key weekly support level for BTC, he summarized. This is now the 7th week in a row that has been able to reaffirm this $34,500 level as support. BTC/used 1-week candle chart with support highlighted. Source, Rect Capital/Twitter. A look at order book data from Binance, the largest exchange by volume, showed strong support remaining in place at $30,000, but less presence of buy interest between that level and spot price around $35,500. Sellers, on the other hand, remained at both $37,000 and $40,000. BTC/USD buy and sell positions on Binance. Source, Material Indicators/Twitter hints of alt season return. Altcoins, meanwhile, were keen to capitalize on Bitcoin's newfound strength, broadly outperforming BTC gains on the day. Ether, ETH, the largest altcoin by market cap, was up 9% at the time of writing, trading at nearly $2,200. Related, active Bitcoin miners now unlikely sellers thanks to profit boost data. Traders were keenly eyeing the potential for a fresh installment of alt season should Bitcoin add to its losses or make more cautious gains. Looking good so far, Scott Melker told Twitter followers. Bitcoin price rising, Bitcoin dominance dropping. Perfect scenario for the moment for alts. Bitcoin's market cap dominance stood at 46% on Tuesday, slightly down, while the overall cryptocurrency market cap was $1.455 trillion. Bitcoin market cap versus dominance chart. Source, Byte.